Over 6,000 students have had their visas revoked this year, and that's a huge jump from last year where only 2,400 had their student visas revoked, and we're not even done with 2025 yet. When your student visa is revoked, your permission to enter the United States is canceled. That doesn't mean you're getting deported if you're already in the United States, because you still presumably have student visa status. And presumably you would be able to finish your studies while you're in student visa status. Just if you leave, you can't come back. Now, sometimes you'll find out that your student visa was revoked when you're outside of the United States. Then you're screwed. Sometimes you'll find out when you can't get on an airplane to come back to the US. Sometimes the consulate will just randomly email you and tell you no more student visa. Sometimes you'll notice your SEVIS record has been terminated. And most of the times you get no explanation. Revocations are going to happen because you've been arrested even though you've never been found guilty of a crime, misrepresentation that's found out after you get here, or security reasons. If it's happened to you, make sure you've kept a current SEVIS record, financial records, and transcript record. And if you're in the US and get a notice to revoke your status, sometimes it could be reinstated. There's not a lot of federal litigation you can do if you're outside of the US, but if you're in the US, as a last resort, you can go into federal court. Have a judge decide all of this. Always talk to a lawyer if you have any concerns before you leave and return, because if you leave and it's revoked, you're not coming back. For more up-to-date information, please hit that follow button and let me know in the comments what you think about all these student visas being revoked. I'm Brad Bernstein. I've been an immigration lawyer in New York City for the last 35 years.